Students, let us start with multiplication of money. You all are aware how to multiply numbers with decimals. The same thing we are going to repeat here. The first thing is to arrange the numbers. So first I am arranging the numbers, and don't ever forget to write the unit. You have to multiply 105 rupees 53 paisa by 6. So first we will arrange the numbers and we will multiply as if there is no point. 6 times 3 is 18. So 8 here, 1 carry. 6, 5 is 30. 30 plus 1 is 31. So 1 here and 3 carry. 6 into 5 is 30. 30 plus 3 is 33. So 3 here and 3 carry. 6 zeros are 0 and 0 plus 3 is 3. So don't forget the multiplication rule for 0, that any number multiplied by 0 is 0, and when 3 is added to that number, it will be the same sum. So 6 ones are 6. Now you will count the decimal places. Here we have 2 decimal places, so we will count 2 digits from the right and put the point. So the product becomes 633.18, and we can read it as 633 rupees and 18 paisa. Now children, let us continue with multiplication and its statement sums. Here, read the following menu and then answer the questions. Here first we will read the menu. The first column contains the items and the second column contains the price of each item in rupees. First is chocolate, which is the cost of one chocolate is 8 rupees 75 paisa. Then coffee, it's 12 rupees 75 paisa. Then tea, its cost is 3 rupees 50 paisa. Then biscuit packet, the cost is 4 rupees 35 paisa. Sandwich, the cost is 9 rupees 30 paisa, and burger cost 10 rupees. Now here in the first part, the question says, how much money would Anita pay for a coffee and 2 packets of biscuits? It means that Anita has bought a coffee. A here means 1 coffee and 2 packets of biscuits. Then how much money does she need to pay? Now how we are going to write this? So first we will write cost of a coffee, it's rupees 12.75. Now here there is 1 coffee and we know the cost of 1 coffee, so we don't need to calculate further. Then she bought 2 packets of biscuits. So first we will write the cost of 1 packet. Cost of 1 packet of biscuits. In the menu, the biscuit packet is for 4 rupees 35 paisa. So here we will write 4 rupees 35 paisa. And how many packets she has bought? 2. So now we will find the cost of 2 packets of biscuits. So what do we need to do here? We will simply multiply the cost of 1 packet by 2. We can multiply it orally also. 2 5s are 10, 0 here, 1 carry, 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7. So nothing carried forward. 2 4s are 8. And 2 decimal places for paisa. So we will count 2 digits from the right and put point. So the amount becomes 8 rupees 70 paisa. So she has paid 12 rupees 75 paisa for coffee and 8 rupees 70 paisa for 2 packets of biscuits. So what is the total amount that she has paid? Total cost. So we will add both the values. For this, either you can add orally or you can arrange them in columns and then you can do the addition. All of you know how to arrange the numbers with decimals. Point should come below the point. So here 5 and 0 5, 7 and 7 14. So 4 here, 1 carry. First we will put the point. 2 and 1 3, 3 and 8 11, 1 here, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 2, and using the unit. So rupees 21 and 45 paisa is the total cost. So after that we will conclude the answer. The answer says that Anita paid rupees 21 and 45 paisa. For solution B, here Pranoy bought 3 tea and 3 sandwiches. How much money does he need to pay the bill? So here he has bought tea and sandwiches. Both are 3 in number. So first we will write the cost of 1t and then we will find the cost of 3t. Okay, so cost of 1t, as we can see in the menu, it's 3 rupees 50 paisa. So cost of 3t, we will multiply the cost of 1t by 3 and the amount becomes 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, 5 here 1 carry, 3 and 3 9, 9 and 1 becomes 10 and putting the point for paisa. So the amount becomes 10 rupees 50 paisa. After that he has bought sandwiches. So cost of one sandwich, as you can see in the menu, the cost of one sandwich is rupees 9 and 30 paisa. And he has bought 3 sandwiches. So for finding out the cost of 3 sandwiches, we will multiply the cost of one sandwich by 3. So rupees 9 and 30 paisa multiplied by 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 3s are 9, point and 3 9s are 27. So the cost is 27 rupees and 90 paisa. So now how much money does he need to pay the bill? So for that we will need to find the total cost. For finding the total cost, we will add the two numbers. Again, you can arrange the numbers in column and do the addition. So 10.50, then 0.7 and 2, 9 and 0 using the unit and putting the addition sign. 0 and 0 is 0, 9 and 5 is 14, so 4 here 1 carry. Then 0.7, 0 and 1 added becomes 8, 2 and 1 is 3. So the sum is 38 rupees and 40 paisa. So how much money does Pranoy needs to pay his bill? So we can say Pranoy needs rupees 38 and 40 paisa to pay the bill. Right, children? Now let us do question number C. Here Kamini bought 2 chocolates and 3 burgers. So she has bought 2 different items. One is chocolate and one is burger. She has bought 2 chocolates and 3 burgers. She gave a note of rupees 50. So for making the payment, she gave 50 rupees to the shopkeeper. Now how much money did she get back? So for finding how much money she will get back, first we should know how much she has to pay. So first we will find that. So first we will write cost of 1 chocolate. As you can see in the menu, it cost 8 rupees and 75 paisa. So the cost of 2 chocolates, because she has bought 2 chocolates, so we will find the cost of 2 chocolates. So cost of 2 chocolates is rupees 8.75 paisa multiplied by 2. Now 2 5s are 10, 0 here 1 carry, 2 7s are 14, 14 plus 1 is 15, 5 here 1 carry, 2 8s are 16, 16 and 1 17 and 2 places for paisa. So we will put the point here. The total becomes 17 rupees and 50 paisa. Now we will find the cost of burgers. First, the cost of one burger. One burger cost rupees 10. And how many burgers she has bought? She has bought 3 burgers. So if one burger cost rupees 10, then what will be the cost of 3 burgers? We will simply multiply 10 rupees by 3 and it will be 30 rupees. Now what is the total amount that she has to pay? So total cost is rupees 17 and 50 paisa plus rupees 30. So you can again add the digits, but you can do this addition orally also if you want. So 17 rupees 50 paisa and 30 rupees when added will give you 0, 5 plus 0 5, 7 and 0 7, 3 and 1 4. So it becomes 47 rupees and 50 paisa. Now how much money she has given? She gave a note of rupees 50 to the shopkeeper. So money she gave to the shopkeeper is rupees 50. And the amount that she has to pay is rupees 47.50 paisa. Then money she will get back. How much money the shopkeeper will give? That will be 50 rupees minus rupees 47 and 50 paisa. So now we need to do the subtraction. So now it is 50 rupees minus rupees 47 and 50 paisa. So point below the point, 7 here, 4 here, 5 after the point and 0 after that. Now how we will subtract? Now we need to borrow. 0 minus 0 is 0. You cannot subtract 5 from 0. So this 5 when cut it gives 4 and this becomes 10. This 10 becomes 9 and this again becomes 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Then point. 9 minus 7 2. 4 minus 4 is 0. So the difference is 2 rupees and 50 paisa. So how much money she will get back is 2 rupees and 50 paisa she will get back. So here we can conclude our answer. She got back rupees 2 and 50 paisa. Now children, let's do the division. As you all know how to divide numbers with decimal, the same we will do here. Now here the amount, that is rupees 1315 and 20 paisa is your dividend. So we will be writing it here, and 12 is your divisor. So here first we will take two numbers, that makes it 13. In the table of 12, 13 doesn't comes, and the smaller number that comes is 12. So 12 ones are 12. Now 13 minus 12, the difference is 1. So bringing this 1 down, this becomes 11. Now this 11 is smaller than the number 12. It means this number cannot be divided by 12. So we need to bring the next number down. But before doing that, what we need to do? First we will shift 0 here, and then we will bring down the next number, which is 5. Now the number becomes 115. Now in the table of 12, we will check whether this number comes or not, and if it doesn't comes, then which is the next smaller number. So that is 12 nines are 108. So here we will write 9 and this is 108. Subtracting 108 from 115. Now here again we need to borrow. This becomes 0. This becomes 15. 15 minus 8 is 7. 0 and 0. Here the remainder is 7. So we need to bring the next number down, which is 2. But before bringing this 2 down, first we will shift this point in the quotient. So now bringing this 2 down, this becomes 72. In the table of 12, 72 comes at 6. So 12 6 are 72. Now 72 minus 72, the remainder is 0. Now bringing this 0 down, which is not required, we can again write 0 here. So the quotient is rupees 109 and 60 paisa. So we can say that when rupees 1315 and 20 paisa is divided by 12, the quotient is rupees 109 and 60 paisa. Now let us do one more statement sum. Here Alok paid rupees 2029 and 5 paisa for 9 chairs. So here children, in this question Alok is paying for 9 chairs, and how much amount he has paid? That is 2029 rupees and 5 paisa. Now how much money did he pay for a chair? A chair means one chair. How much money does he need to pay for one chair? So we know the amount that he has paid for 9 chairs, and we need to find for one chair. So which basic mathematical operation do we need to do? Here we need to divide, since we know for many and we have to find for one. So here the statements that you can make is Alok paid for 9 chairs. That is rupees 2029 and 5 paisa. Then Alok paid for, you can write a chair also, or you can write one chair also. Both are correct. And for finding the cost of one chair, what we need to do? We will divide the amount that he has paid for 9 chairs by 9. Okay. So now we will do the division. This is 2029 and 5 paisa divided by 9. Now first we will take two numbers. This is 20. Now in the table of 9, 20 doesn't comes, and the number smaller than 20 that comes is 18. So 9 2s are 18. Now 20 minus 18, the remainder is 2. Now we bring this 2 down, this becomes 22. Again 22 doesn't comes in the table of 9, and the number smaller than this is 18. So 9 2s are 18 again. Now 22 minus 18 is 4. Bringing the next number down, this is 9. The number becomes 49. Now 49 again doesn't comes in the table of 9, and the number smaller than 49 that comes in the table of 9 is 45. So 9 5s are 45. Now 49 minus 45, the remainder is 4. Now we have point. So first we will shift the point here, and then we will bring this 0 down. This becomes 40. Now in the table of 9, 40 doesn't comes, and the number smaller than 40 is 36. So 9 4s are 36. 40 minus 36 is 4. Bringing the next number down, this is 5. In the table of 9 we have 5. 9 5s are 45. Now this completes our division as the remainder is 0. So we can say that the cost of one chair is 225 rupees and 45 paisa, and the same thing we can conclude here. Here it was written how much money did he pay for one chair. So instead of he, we can write Alok. So Alok paid rupees 225 and 45 paisa for a chair.